We made it to our room. Take a look inside. We are speechless. Okay, I'm gonna give you the tour. So this is when you first walk in. I'm like speechless. I can't even breathe. Okay, come over here. So this is like the little main living room area. And look at this. So you can see the water. You can see a huge fish. Wait, what is that? Looks like maybe a leaf. Oh, it's a leaf. I thought it was a fish. Okay, so you can see through there. There's like a little, look at, they set this up for us. We've already been eating some of it. So nice. And then come over here. I can't believe it. This is so unreal. Should we go? Let's go to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So there's like this amazing jacuzzi bathtub. It's like all private, which is so cool, but you can see the water. And then there's obviously the sinks on each side, the shower, the toilet. It's so beautiful though. I want this to be my bathroom.
It is.
For the next week.
For the next week, it is.
And then this is where our bed is. Look how cute they set this up. It says, welcome. Just wait till you see outside though. That's what I'm most excited for. So this is like a little living space. There's a TV. And then, here we go. So first of all, there's this cute little chair. Look at this water. And just when you think it can't get any better, take a look at this. Infinity pool. And the water, like, wait, just take a look at all of this. Like, I can't even breathe right now. This is so unreal. What? You guys, I'm dying.
Let's feel it.
How does it feel?
Oh,
Is it warm?
like a bathtub.
Wow. Oh my god.
Let's feel the ocean water.
I'm going to put my swimsuit on. I'll see you later. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Oh my gosh.
More?
Yeah.